In this video, we are going to change the fields of login page in Filament PHP. So as you know that the default login system provided by the Filament PHP is the email address and password. So let's modify it. As you can see, let me highlight. So it is the email address field where we need to enter our email address to log in along with the password. So first of all, let's try to log in with the email ID and password. admin@test.com and the password is 1234. Let's click on remember me and sign in. As you can see, we have successfully signed it in with the help of the default login system provided by the Filament. On the users page, as you can see, we have a mobile column in which mobile number is provided with respect to each user. As you can see, the name of column is mobile. So let's log out. We will place the email ID field with mobile phone. So first of all, let's open database migrations and user migration. As you can see, we have mobile field right there. So just remember the name. Let's close this. Let's open app filament, and inside the filament folder, we will create a new folder where we will place the class. Let's create a new folder and let's name it helper. You can name it anything you want. And inside this folder, let's create a PHP file. Let's name it custom login.php. Inside this file, we will create the class. Let's start with PHP tags and namespace. Namespace is app filament helper. That's nice. And class, name of the class is custom login. And this custom login class will extend a filament's login class. Let's type extends login, and we have to import this filament pages auth. Kindly note the use syntax. We have to import this class filament pages auth login, and we will write the code right there. Just click on this class to enter the class that is provided by the filament, and let's find the form method. Let's find the form method. As you can see, we have a public function form. Let's copy this method and paste it inside the class. So here we will create the form, and make sure you are importing filament form form schema. Inside the schema, we will add text input, and name of the column is mobile. Let's make it required. Also, we need a password field. Let's create it. Text input make password. Let's go for it. Make it field as password field and required. We have to copy one more method. Let's check the file again. As you can see, we have to copy get credentials from form data, this method. Let me highlight it for you. Just copy this method and paste it right below. As you can see, there is email mentioned. Let me change it to the mobile, as we want to replace the email ID field with mobile. So as you can see, let's save the file and let's refresh the browser. It's not changed, so let's open filament panel provider filament panel provider, and in the login method we have to write our class that we have just created, that is custom login, and import this class custom login class and make sure it gets imported. As you can see, so close this file and now refresh the browser. As you can see, now the field has been changed, and instead of email now we have mobile. Let's try to log in. 1 2 3 4. So we have signed in successfully. Click on users and let's sign out. As you can see, we remember me field is missing, so let's try to add that field as well. Just delete this password field. Let's call get password form component method from the parent class. Also, let's call the remember form component from the parent class. Let's check the browser, refresh the page. As you can see, now we have remember me checkbox. So now let's try to log in. 1 2 3 4. Now check the remember me and sign in. As you can see, we have successfully signed in. We have successfully changed the form items of login page in Filament. Thanks for watching.